we know you're a newsreader, but tell us also your other job.
My other job is I'm an English teacher at the Prince of Songkhla University in Phuket, right?
You're holding this exhibition here for the ASEAN meeting. Tell us what it's about in general.
Well, the exhibition that we are having here is just to inform other people about our school, and I'll just give you some basic general information. Many people don't know this, but we have three faculties at the Prince of Songkhla University. The first one is Information Technology and Environment. That's the faculty, where we have 4 degrees: Information Technology, Software Engineering, Electronic Business, and Computer Engineering. And then we have 2 faculties, the Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism and the Faculty of International Studies. These 2 programs are international programs, meaning everything is taught in the medium of English. As you can see, we have bachelor degrees in hospitality and tourism management, but we also have an MBA degree in hospitality and tourism. And then the third faculty is the Faculty of International Studies, where we offer bachelors in international business with a focus on China, Chinese studies, and Thai studies.
Maybe a lot of people don't know that also it's open to foreign students, not just Thai students.
Yes, it is. I think we're starting to open it up to foreign students, but I believe another Ajahn Piyanart, will explain to you some of the teacher and student exchanges that we currently have.
Right, let's talk to Ajahn Piyanart. Tell us about your part of the exhibition.
Yes, my name is Piyanart Apithambundit. I'm Vice Deputy Dean for International Relations. We would like to talk about academic collaboration and outreach projects that we jointly work with overseas university. Yes, we have the outstanding one from China. We have from Shanghai University, Suzhou University, South China University of Technology, and SEAMEO University, and also others. And particularly for China International Council, Hanban for Confucius Institute that located at Prince of Songkhla University, Phuket Campus. And also we have cooperation with Korea, Japan, Indonesia, Finland, New Zealand, Australia, France, and United States. Also have collaborations with both for academic and outreach programs.
Obviously that's good here at the ASEAN meeting. You're hoping to make more contacts with some of the other countries, ASEAN countries here?
Also, we also have ASEAN member countries here, Indonesia, Korea, and also other, yes, right. ASEAN plus countries.
All right, thank you. Let's talk to Dr. Chinnawat about your marvelous technology and all these wonderful, is it remote sensing? Is that what it's called?
Remote sensing of global precipitation. So we have the satellite orbiting around the Earth, and then we have the algorithm. We developed the algorithm to estimate the precipitation. Precipitation mean the rain, snow, graupel, hail, dew, and that kind of stuff. And our algorithm works for all over the world.
But this is showing the North Pole, is it?
Yes,
it looks like
the North Pole, and these colors showing how strong the precipitation is in units of millimeter per hour.
So this is probably snow, not rain.
Yeah, most of it is in the year 2006, and this is a global projection of the world. And you can see Thailand is right here, and Phuket is just a small spot right here.
Right.
And then we see the precipitation dynamic for over the year.
Yeah, obviously at the beginning of the year, these days, there's no rain, much rain, but obviously later in the year, like now, March, April, are you noticing a lot more rain now? Are you keeping records right up to date, real time?
Yes, it is. We have the system running in real time. We are collaborating with the MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the US, and so the computer will keep running all the time as soon as we get the data from the satellite. And NOAA, who is the owner of the satellite, send the data to us, and then our computer will process the data and get these products.
But have you noticed any more rainfall in this, say, this year, or a trend for more rainfall in this area?
Yeah, our current research right now, and it's the paper that we are writing right now. We found the obvious increase in precipitation over the North Pole, and that could be the effect of the global warming, and that's what we are trying to study right now.
Okay.
And hope to have papers in a couple months.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, good luck with that then. It's a very important subject nowadays. But let's move on now to the Confucius Institute, part of PSU. Professor Yao, right?
Yes.
Tell us about what you're showing here at ASEAN exhibition.
with you how do we use modern technology to teach Chinese. And when we use this to point at each part,
Automatically.
yes. So this is very helpful for us teaching Chinese, and the ministers are very interested in this.
So
Yeah.
the teacher doesn't have to be Chinese. They just point the stick.
Yes.
Does it speak English as well?
Yes, speak English.
Blackboard.
Yes.
In Chinese.
Yes.
So obviously good for the teachers, but also the students like it.
Yeah, the students are very interested in it. Just now a group of students, and they didn't want to leave when they saw this, and they practice
Makes
a
them
lot.
want to learn Chinese.
Yes, yeah.
How many students do you have at PSU learning Chinese?
400 students now.
Wow.
Yeah. And we also have 200 students for the public.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to the robot man. Tell us about the robot. What are you showing here?
Actually, we are from a Department of Computer Engineering, and we are focused on to build a system that to be able to deal with the hardware and software, also the networking. For the robot, it's like the equipment to our student to be able to study how to program the hardware quite well, and they can learn it from theoretical to be the some we can say simple application, but it lets the student can understand their knowledge in programming, and also how to control the sensor and the basic of microprocessor as well. So, and also the another advantage thing is that it also can attract the student to learn it, to have fun, not just the theoretical, not just the theoretical, and they can reprogram as much as they want. Is how they work it. It follow the black light like that. It had a sensor to detect the color, and how it works well. It depends on how they program for control the between the input they get and they obtain, and also the speed or the wheel or the direction or something like that. And it's the basic knowledge to be the advanced application like a RoboCup in another department that we build also.
Have you also competed at various contests for robots?
For this robot, we call mobile robot, we have arranged the contest for the high school student, also the freshman student. But in another laboratory, we have a another robot called RoboCup. It entered the world final last year in China, and we got have a good rank, good score in another.
Well done. Thank you very much, Amarin. Yes, Ajahn Chitralada, you tell us about some of your other activities coming up. You've got a conference coming up.
Yes, this is called for better for the second annual PSU Phuket Research 2009. The topic is multidisciplinary studies on sustainable education. Sustainable.
Have you interested some of the visiting delegates from the ASEAN meeting to this conference?
Yes, we invite from the administrators and researchers from ASEAN Plus 3, Japan, Korea, and China.
Good. All right. And I hear some students here are going to have prepared some cocktails, special cocktails, Phuket style, is it?
Yeah, it's like a mocktail from the Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism.
All right. Show us, girls. Then, can you show us what you're making? What's the ingredients? What's it made with?
It's made from pineapple juice, lemon juice, coconut syrup, and grenadine, and topped with soda.
Okay. You show us then how you make it. And did they give this, Alexandra, tell us, did they give this to the visiting ministers?
Yes, they did. So
How well did it go down?
I think it went down really well.
Nice on a hot day.
Yes, it was very refreshing. And just to let you know, they had created this drink themselves, and they won a competition in Bangkok at the Central World yesterday, and they just came back. So they're here to share us their prize-winning drink. What is the name of your drink?
Summer.
Yes.
For the summer season, hot season here, yeah? So you're going to do the bartending as well? Do you hope to work in the tourism industry and serve this drink to real tourists?
Maybe in the future.
In the future.
Yeah.